Shine Elasto Painters. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters kontra Meralco Bolts. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters kontra Northport Batancan. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters laban sa Phoenix Fuel Masters. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters versus Barangay Ginebra. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters laban sa San Miguel Beerman. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters versus Blackwater Bossing. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters versus NLEX Road Warriors. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters laban sa Magnolia Hot Shots. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters versus Terra Firma Jeep. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters kontra TNT Katropa. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters versus Converge Fiber Xers.